It's a 2014 Cadillac Cts-V Coupe. There's no subtlety here. Boldly powerful and luxurious, this Cts-V does everything emphatically. It's well equipped with the features you need: intercooled supercharged V8 engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, power tilting sunroof, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Motor Trend points out that supercharged V8 drinks from such deep reserves of power and torque that it hardly feels like it's breaking a sweat. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.